Hi everyone, welcome to Microsoft Excel Part 3. So in this video we are going to see basic Excel quick and simple chart tutorial. So in this video we will see how to use Microsoft Excel tools. So in this worksheet we are going to enter monthly sale of different brand cards. So here I am typing January and February. No need to type each and every month. Just type January and February and drag that row until we want month related data. So here I am dragging till June month. After that, enter different brands: Honda, Hyundai, Kia. Like this, enter different branded cars. You can use data available to perform actions like this. So we have data for Honda car, Hyundai car, Kia car, Tata, Mahindra, Toyota, different branded cars. So we can modify our table according to requirements. And here we have monthly sale of different branded cars: January, February, March, April, May, June. Here January we have total sell for different cars. For February, March, April, May, June. We can create also, and we have monthly sale of different cars data. So initially we have to select entire data sheet for which we have to perform these actions related to chart, and then go to insert option. In that we have 2D column, 3D column, 3D bar, 3D, 2D bar, and select required option. Here I am selecting chart option. As per our requirement, adjust this chart on the sheet. You can see when we click on plus option, there are chart elements, access titles, chart title, like this. So we can select options according to this. Here I am changing chart title car sell per month. So in this chart, when we click on the chart, we get options to modify our chart. We can change visualize of our charts with this plus option, paint option, and filter option. Now first is plus option. In that we I'm going to click on axis. So according to that, chart visualization changes. When I click on axis, car related data on x axis visible. When we click on chart title, we can change here chart title car sales per month. So I'm changing here car sales per month as a title. Here we can say January, February, all the details on the chart. Now when we click on data table directly visible below our chart. So like this, we can place our chart also below our visualization chart. So here is January to June, and for each and every car brand we can see visualizations are available in the chart. This chart is basically bar chart, and all the numbers are visible here. Now when we click on data labels, for each and every month how number of cars sell is visible and invisible according to tick on the option in data label. When we click on grid lines on the x-axis, we can see it is visible for us according to y-axis how much sell done with particular month. Next is style and color. In style we can select different styles here: highlighted, black and white. See, this one is bold one, We can select different option, highlighted option with different colors also. Now I'm selecting previous one. Now here we can see if we go to the January, February, March, according to that different colors are there. We can change color with color coding. If we know color code for a particular color, we can change here. Now in this filter option, for April we have yellow color, for May we have blue color, for June we have different color. So like this for a different category, for different cars monthly we can say here when we go on the particular option. So here Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Tata, different cars have specific bar. According to our table, we can see all the color bars available in the chart. So we can change also according to our requirements these labels and colors. Now in previous option there is a color option. In this color option, colorful and monochromatic option also available. In color option we have different shades. As per our requirements we can change. In monochromic, a single color shade used for each and every branded car. So I'm selecting now previous one. We can change style also. So we have seen how to change different colors, different chart labeling data set according to that. Now just copy and paste in Microsoft Word document. If we want to create PowerPoint, then also we can copy and paste chart image whatever we created. We can use this chart for our project purpose. So in this video we have seen how to create chart. This is the only for bar chart. The same thing we can do for pie chart and other charts. So like this video and share this video and subscribe the channel. In next video we will see Microsoft Office basics.